In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share an Airtable form. If you want to collect responses in a simple, organized way, Airtable forms are a great option because every submission goes directly into your base. That means you can gather information from other people without giving them access to edit your full table. Let's walk through the process from setup to sharing so you can create a form that looks clean and works exactly the way you need. First, open the Airtable base where you want to collect responses. This is important because the form will be connected directly to that base, and each new submission will appear there as a new record. Before moving on, it's a good idea to make sure your table already has the fields you want to collect, since the form will pull from those fields. Once you're inside the correct base, create a new view. Click the option to create a view and then choose Form. Airtable will automatically generate a form based on the fields in your table. This gives you a starting point that you can customize instead of building everything from scratch. Next, adjust the form fields. You can add fields you want people to fill out or remove any that shouldn't appear on the form. This step helps keep the form focused and easier for users to complete. In general, shorter and clearer forms tend to get better response rates, so only include the information you actually need. After that, customize the form itself. Edit the title so people immediately understand what the form is for, and update the description to provide helpful context or instructions. You can also mark certain fields as required if they must be completed before submission. Then arrange the field order in a way that feels natural. A good flow makes the form easier to read and complete, especially on mobile devices. Once your form is set up, preview it. This allows you to check how it looks before anyone else sees it. Pay attention to spacing, field labels, and the overall flow. Make sure the required fields are correct and that the form is easy to understand from a user's perspective. When everything looks good, share the form by copying the form link and sending it to your users. This link is what people will use to open and complete the form, so make sure you're sharing the correct version. Finally, check the responses inside your Airtable table. Every submitted form entry will appear there automatically, making it easy to review, sort, and manage the information you collect. And that's how to create and share an Airtable form.